Hi there, I'm Hans. I'm from Indonesia, and this is my CS50P's final project. So, I built a command line based program for manage your password. It's actually just for saving your passwords. And this project's called Passnager, a short for password manager. Yeah, kind of simple name, right? Well, yeah, this program save all the passwords into .cv files on your own local machines, and all the passwords that's stored in the .cv files gonna be encrypted. Well, yeah, without further ado, let me just start the project demonstration. First, I will open my terminal here, and when you just clone this project from my GitHub repository, the first things that you need to do is type this command: pip install min r what requirements. Yes, and requirements.txt is a file that contains all the packages that the program needs to be run. And yeah, let's go back into the terminal and then enter. After doing that, the second things that you need to do is to make a .env file, and then you can just copy this .env.example file and then put it into the root of the folder of the project folder here, and then rename it into the .env. And yeah, finally you have the .env file, which contains one variable named secret underscore key and with an empty value. Yeah, and let's go back into the terminal, and then let's try to run the program. Actually, if you just run this command for the first time using this program, it's gonna give you an error, and that's because we have seen before that we don't have any key here, and for having that key we can just follow these instructions here. We can just type the command here like this: Python project.py and this generate this key, and then enter. And yeah, now you have the key. You can go back into the .env file and look that there is a key inside it, and that means you have already prepared to run this program. Well, yeah, I'll create this terminal and let's just start my program normally. Python project.py. Okay, now the program is running, and if this is your first time using this program, there will be a message that told you if a data.cv file is created, and you can look at here. The data.cv file will have 4 fields. The first one is ID and app and so on. And then let's just try all the options. We'll try the first one to show all the data, and yeah, there is just an empty table, and it has some clue there is 0 data found because we have no data here in data.cv file. We don't have yet. And let's try to delete data, and because we don't have any data in data.csv, so there will be nothing here, and we can just continue, and let's try to add some data. Let's say we want to add Google data, and let's type the email, gmail.com, and password. Save it, yeah. And then let's try to add some data in again, and let's save GitHub, and this is my own GitHub username, and then the password is not my real password. Okay, save it, yes, all right, and go back and let's show the data. Now there are two data that I have typed into this program, and if we see the data.csv, there will be a data as well. And you can look at the password. The password is different than the password that I typed before, because I use an encryption technique that convert the plain password into some unreadable password, and you can just see your real password from here, from this program. And if you just see from this data.csv file, you will not see your real passwords. All you can see is just these strings. Yeah, I don't even can read it. And yeah, we try the delete options back and just the number 3. For delete the record, we can just put the ID that we want to delete. For example, I want to delete the GitHub record, and I just need to put this ID and then enter. Yep, the data is successfully deleted, and then we back to the menu and let's show the data. And now I only have one data, like in the data.csv file. Also, I just have one data because it was deleted, right? Well, yeah, maybe it is all from me, and thanks for watching.